Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Prime Videos How to Remove from Continue Watching. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a movie or a series from continue watching. So as you can see right now, I'm currently watching Richard, John Wick, Red Ones the Boys, LOL. So to remove those from your continue watching, just you need to do is just hover your as you can see, hover your mouse in a movie or a series that you want. Example is John Wick, and then go here, then click on hide this movie. There you go. Hiding this movie, but you can still reach it for but you can still search it. So there we go. As you can see, it is now removed from our continue watching. So let's just refresh. There you go. It is now removed. So try it on how about try it on the boys? Hide this season. Then click on refresh. There you go. It is now gone from your continue to watch. So there you go, guys. That's how you remove a movie or maybe a series from your continue to watch. And if you have any questions or if you have any what do you call this, you have any questions or if you have any concerns, just type it in the comment section down below. And a quick tip for you guys. For example, if you're watching a movie, example here, the LOL, when you're watching that, how about the movie? Watch the movie. Now go continue. So once you finish the movie right here, there you go. Once you finish the movie, it will automatically remove from your continue watching. Watch this. Okay, so wait for it. There you go. Then let's X that. Then let's go home. Then there you go. As you can see, the red one has now disappeared from my continue watching because I have finished the movie. And it goes the same with the series. If you finish the series of The Office, or maybe or maybe Richer, you once you finish the all season or all every season and every episode of that, you will now the continue watching from the Reacher. For example, you finish the office will automatically be removed from your continue watching, and you don't have to hover and then click on hide decision. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.